Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Oh, got big stitches. Listen, I think that the Easter Bunny was here. I think that he left you some presents and gifts and Easter eggs.
I'll go get it.
You're gonna go get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
You don't need to get your jacket and boots, cause he came here.
Huh?
It's all here.
Huh?
Come on, let's go see.
Go see, Mom. Go see, Mom.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, dude.
What is it?
Wow.
You gotta pick up all your eggs and put them in the basket. Pick up your basket. Put them all in. Take your
Wow,
basket.
Charlie.
Take your basket.
Wow, what is it? An empty egg. Uh-oh. The Easter Bunny must have got hungry, did he, Dad?
Yeah. Take your basket. Take your basket. Bring it. Follow the trail.
The mess.
That was a mess.
You're gonna pick up the mess, are you?
Yeah.
What a mess the Easter Bunny left.
Bring your basket over here. Look, so you don't have to go back and forth.
Hey man, this is the way to do it Easter. Clean up the mess. We'll even know for Easter Bunny next year.
Do you know that they're chocolate eggs? Yeah?
Oh no. Bring that
Okay, come on, bring your basket. Because you got ones to hide. Mommy, get it?
Go get your basket and bring it in. There's all kinds to give you away. Bring your basket. Yeah.
Wow. What?
Look. Did you know?
Wow.
I see one over
You
here.
gotta look for them now. Look all around. Oh, you found one! Good. Looking under the table, it's none there, is it? Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, you're good.
Look all around. What about the horsey? Does the horsey have one?
Yeah.
I think the Easter Bunny hid them too easy. Oh, there it is. He was looking beneath it, yeah.
He's looking for hardcore ones.
Yeah.
Easter Bunny was playing it easy on you.
Open.
Open. Well, let's wait now. There's more, Charlie.
Yeah, you gotta find them all first.
Daddy will open that one and you look for the rest, okay?
Here, I'll open it while you look. Look, I see one by the light.